Everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I'm so happy to be back again in our science lab. I hope you have a good day at school and then you keep up good work at school too. So today we're coming back with the coolest experience I've ever imagined. We're doing in the fall, which is a leaf chromatography. What does leaf chromatography means? Leaf chromatography means a mixture of solutions, so you separate it using a glass or using any containers that you like. In this experiment, you're going to need leaves. You can pick any kind of leaves from your backyard or in the park. Maple leaf is the best because you can use the reddish one like this, or the brown one, or just the green one. So whichever you can find, okay? And we also need a cup container. I use the plastic one, but if you have a glass one, probably the best. Scissors is optional because we have to cut up these leaves, but it's up to you if you just want to tear it up, so you don't need scissors. And then isopropyl alcohol, I would suggest 70% instead of 95%. This one you can find in the store in first aid aisle, okay? Pencil or pen, if you don't have pencils, pen is fine. And then this is optional plastic wrap, but if you don't have plastic wrap, you can use aluminum foil. And then of course, coffee filter. Okay, so without further ado, this is what we're going to do today. Okay, so we're going to observe how the leaves is a living thing because it has its pigmentation, which is chlorophyll. I don't know if you haven't learned it in school, but in your science on 4th grader or 5th grader probably already did. Okay, I would suggest to rip it off. It's probably easier with hands. Okay, so once you're done, okay, you take your isopropyl alcohol into it, and then you want to pour it until it's full. I would need adult supervision because this is kind of tricky to do it because it's involved alcohol. Okay, so it's about like this length. You can see it. So this is your eye level. You can see it. That's about that kind of height. Okay, just be very careful because this is an alcohol. All right. So then you take your filter paper. So probably need just one. Doesn't need much. This is a coffee filter paper. If your parents drink coffee at home, it's probably easier to find. Otherwise, it's available in the store too, so it's not hard to find. So you might want to cut it like a strip like so. It doesn't need to be perfect as long as you cut a strip like that. Okay, a strip like this, and then you put it over into the mixtures like that. So submerge the coffee filter into the leaves. Okay? And after that, you take your plastic wrap. If you don't have plastic wrap, you can use other paper like construction paper or aluminum foil. Because this is alcohol, it can evaporate easily, so that's how you might want to cover it. So you want to cover it tightly like so. So don't leave the coffee filter lenient towards the glass. Let me show it to you. So you might want to like keep it hanging like that. This is probably hard to see, but don't make it like lean it over the glass because the color transfer will not be perfect. So you might want to cover the glass like so tight because alcohol can evaporate really easily. Okay, so this is how I would leave it like hanging like that for 24 hours to 48 hours. This is what example I already made some. Okay, this is the green leaf. If you can see, this is all the pigmentation. That's how we can see the color changes from green to orange to red and then to brown. And then this one, the one it's already dyed, that's how the leaves fall in. The brown one, like so. If you can see the change in color, and this is one, if you can see, this is like the brown one. So that's how the leaves has pigmentation. It losing its color from the summer into the fall. That's how it likes. Okay? So then after 24 hours, you will have something like this. It probably not a lot. So I see there's a color transfer in there in the coffee filter. So this is the green one, and then to the brown one, and then to the most brown one, I guess. So okay, so that is the experience for today. So we learned. If you have any question, if you try to do this experiment at home, please let us know and comment down below. I hope you watch our story time and make it Monday. And then until next experiment, I'll see you soon. Thank you.